Hello guys, in this tutorial we will learn about lambda functions in Python with the help of examples. Python lambda function is known as the anonymous function that is defined without a name. Python allows us to not declare the function in the standard manner, that is by using the def keyword. Rather, the anonymous functions are declared by using the lambda keyword. However, lambda functions can accept any number of arguments, but they can return only one value, the form of expression. The anonymous functions contains a small piece of code. It simulates inline functions of C and C++, but it is not exactly an inline function. Why use lambda function? The main role of the lambda function is better described in the scenarios when we use them anonymously inside another function. In Python, the lambda function can be used as an argument to the higher order functions, which accepts other functions as argument. And the syntax is lambda arguments expression. It can accept any number of arguments as only one expression. It is useful when the function objects are required. Let's check this out in the example. Let's say A is an argument and A, A plus 10 is an expression which got validated and returned. X is equal to lambda a plus 10. Here we are printing the object, right? Here we are printing the object, printing the function object. Print x and alright, let's try the function to build the table in lambda. Right? Function table prints the table of n. Right. Def table of n return lambda a colon a into n. Right. N is equal to input int input, enter the number. B is equal to table of n, and here a will contain the iteration variable I and a multiple of n is returned at each function call. Right here, table n, the entered number is passed into the function table. B will contain a lambda function which is called again and again with the iteration variable I. For I in range 1 comma 11, print print n comma x comma I comma colon equal to colon comma b of I. The lambda function b is called with the iteration variable I. Let's execute this. So we have a def, not def, def. Enter the number is 6. So we have a table of 6, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 2, 6 is up. This is how lambda function is gonna be used, right? Why use lambda function is finished. Use lambda function with let's try this. Use lambda function with filter. The Python built-in filter function accepts a function and a list as an argument. It provides an effective way to filter out elements of the sequence. It returns the new sequence in which the function evaluates to true. Right. Let's check out the example. We use this example. Right. Use lambda function filter. Int least equal to t u t o r I a l s tutorials. Result is equal to least filter lambda of x colon x is not equal to t comma inp underscore least. Now we'll print result. Now execute this code. We'll see. Inp list is not defined. Inp un in list object not callable. And list object. Right, I've executed this code and we have the result of UORIALS. Here all the elements in the list other than T are filtered by the condition and list is formatted by the help of lambda expression. Only T is filtered. So we have a T is missing here. So this is not equal to T. So that's it. We can try many examples for this if you Let's try one more example. Let's see with that. INP underscore least is equal to 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Result is equal to least filter lambda x colon x percentage 2 equal to 0 equal to 0 INP least print result. Simple as that. Now execute. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Whichever is divided by 2 and which comes result as 0. That is going to given. Here we filter out all the even elements from the given list and display in the form of the list by typecasting the returned value. Next, lambda with map function. The map function in Python takes in a function and a list as argument. The function is called with a lambda function and a list and a new list is written which contains all the lambda modified items returned by that function for each item, right? Let's try this an example lambda with map. Let's write a program to filter out the list which contains odd numbers. LST is our list 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. Square underscore list is equal to list bracket open map of lambda. Last time we were using different function filter one. Now we are using map function to LST. Right. This is the tuple contains all the items all the items of the list for which lambda function relates to true. Print print square underscore list. Execute this. So we have 10 square 100 20 40. This is the result what we have got. So this is basically a lambda function which we have completed today. I'm sure you guys have enjoyed this session. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.